Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really special to unbox. An affordable 3-in-1 bedding set that promises comfort and style. Let's dive right in. Right off the bat, I can feel the soft touch of the fabric. This bedding set is made from high-quality polyester that is not only skin-friendly, but also soft to the touch. The material feels breathable and durable, perfect for a good night's sleep. Included in the set is this beautiful bedsheet and 2 complementary pillowcases. The color is stunning and it has a pure rich tone that's sure to complement any bedroom decor. Now let's see how this transforms the bed. The fitted sheet is garterized, ensuring a snug fit on the mattress without any hassle. The sheet glides on effortlessly and the garterized edges keep everything in place. Look at that, it's a perfect fit. And these pillowcases are just the tear on top. They complete the look, making the bed look inviting and cozy. And there you have it, a bed that looks and feels like a dream. If you want to experience this luxury in your own home, check out the link in the video description to grab your own set from Lazada. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing reviews. Sweet dreams and happy shopping!